What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LiaLeigh, and your girl got something new going on. A couple of new things, actually. The very first thing that obviously stands out is my grass panel wall that I have installed in my bedroom. I am beyond excited about this grass wall. If y'all have seen my Fenty review, you've seen that I also have a grass wall in my spa treatment room. So I'm not in there. I know some people are like, are you in there? What's going on? I'll let y'all know right now that no, this is in my apartment as well. This video, you guys, is of course going to be about period hacks, ways to pamper yourself. And ladies, get yourself feeling good about yourself while it's that time of the month. I want to let y'all know that it is in partnership with Dossier. It is a perfume company that actually replicates well-known perfumes and colognes to a price that everyone can afford. If y'all don't know, now you know I have an extremely expensive taste in perfume, and when Dossier reached out to me, I was like, oh, I'm definitely down to do this partnership with them. This is the box that the Dossier perfume came in. Open this thing up. Be careful not to spill the contents that are inside. Oh, and I did. Let's put that back in there. Ah, it happened again. Let's put that back in there. Alright, so I'm going to read you guys what it says. The fair alternative to luxury perfumes, made in France, vegan and cruelty-free, clean ingredients and risk-free order. Which is a great thing, because with replica companies, you know, some people are a little cautious about ordering from a company, you know, that is promoting their brand versus the real deal. It also comes with an information card. With this video, this period hack video on how to pamper yourselves during that time of the month, but ladies, I'm going to be giving y'all 5 really good tips that I live by, not things that I just randomly popped in my head. These are things that I live by and that truly help me during this time of the month. First things first is smelling great and smelling good. I truly feel like if I'm smelling good and I'm like, oh girl, that is you, and I know if I smell it, everybody else smells it. So if I do have to be out and about in public and I have to run some errands or even have to go to work, duh, I want to be able to smell good and feel better. This is where Dossier comes in. So the perfume that it is actually inspired by is Lancome's La Vie est Belle. It smells amazing. Amazing, ladies and gentlemen. I am no perfume or cologne expert, but I can tell you, when I have this perfume on, people literally on Mars, the aliens on Mars can smell me. It is such a strong but soft at the same time perfume, and it stays on. You know, some perfumes you spray 1-2 sprays, and by the time you walk out of your house, you're asking yourself if you can even smell it still. No. Like, it just gives off this beautiful aroma, this feminine, queen, mature, and it's just, I almost want to say sexual but sensual, but not like, dang, how much perfume she got on. No, it's like, wow, she smells like a lady. This perfume smells just like it. So this perfume is called Oriental Floral 1. The notes in it, which are basically the ingredients, the top one is orange blossom, middle jasmine, hazelnut, and iris, and the base is patchouli and gourmand accord. And you guys, I love this perfume. Like, I literally opened the package, I open it, this is what we have. It shows you on there the name, Dossier, and the notes. The fact that I can open this, take the top off, oh my goodness, smells just like the original perfume. You guys, let me tell you something. These perfumes are $29. $29 versus the price of $95 and up for certain size perfumes. and I believe this size is 50 milliliters, which is 1.7 ounces. Blew me away, blew me away, blew me away. All details will be down in the description. I'm going to continue forward with my video as well. I received a tester, so this bad boy will be traveling with me in my purse. Cramps, 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 cramps. Let's talk about these cramps. I got some cramps right now as I'm filming this video. It is my time in the month, and how I have this happy-go-lucky attitude for you guys, this is all for you. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. I got something good for y'all, something that surprised me, and let me show y'all this. We have You Go Girl Company. They sent me this package. This is not sponsored, but I do want to share it with y'all. Any discount codes that I may have are going to be down below. Okay, so we know that we love heat. Like on our cycles, we love the heating pads, anything that can kind of soothe the cramps. Whether we take medication, we all take medication for the most part, unless you are so super holistic and you will say no to medicine. But if you do and you still want a way to relieve yourself of these crazy cramps, they have the hot stuff going to the wrap. This wrap has like a little pocket for each hot stuff, and I'm gonna show y'all a close-up. I got a size small, and it has like the bra strap connector to wrap around the abdomen. The hot stuff actually inserts inside the wrap like this liner. It also has like a rubber silicone type feel on the inside, so it can adhere to the skin, and so it doesn't like just flip over and fold and stuff like that. So these hot stuffs, I'm gonna read y'all a little how to what really consists of it. So basically these are warmers that insert into the liner. These things give you the sensation of warmness. They actually do get warm. The liner protects your skin from the warmer so it doesn't get too hot. They don't get extremely like burning hot, which is a good thing because of course we don't got time to be getting burnt. So they also tell you if you have any contraindications against these, why you should not use these, what these would be great for, and what not to do as far as opening the warmer itself. Like, let's not play scientist, you guys. So yeah, these work great, especially if you're at work, if you're at school and you know that you have terrible cramps like I do. Like, ouch. Ladies, let's do ourselves a favor and check it out, okay? Moving on to tip number 3, the period tracker app. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that I've actually never mentioned this in any of my period hack videos. The period tracker app is really godsend. There are so many different apps to actually choose from. The app that I use, which one do I actually use? P Tracker, with the little flower as like the icon outside the app. And I have been using the period app tracker, you guys, for 5 years, I want to say. It has been a very long time since I've actually been a lot more conscious about staying ahead of my symptoms, staying ahead of my pre-menstrual symptoms. If I'm having any spotting, or if I feel like my boobs are extra sensitive this month, or if I'm having like crazy cramps, or if they're extra light and I'm like, wow, this period was a breeze. All of that is so important, ladies, for us to keep a track on, and for my young ladies out there that aren't so conscious about doing that. It's a lot better of staying ahead of the game instead of trying to catch up once it's like, oh my god, do my period come on this week? Does it come on this week? No, it gives you a really great estimate on what day your period comes on if you enter the information in correctly and stay on top of it. Number 4, stay stocked up on water, fruit, and junk food. Let's be real, it is extremely difficult to stay healthy and eat health consciously while we're on our cycle. It's just like, come on, I need what I need when I need it. And this cycle, I almost all the time, I don't really have a huge appetite, but I crave junk and I'm extremely thirsty. So all the time, my first thing to reach is for a water bottle, which is just naturally, I always drink a whole lot of water. And I've been craving chocolate chip cookies. So I bought a whole bunch of chocolate chip cookies to bake because I am like a warm, fresh cookie type of person instead of like out of the package. So, and as well, I have tons of fruit. The last tip, ladies, is relax as much as you possibly can, especially if you have extremely draining periods. It is vital that you rest and give your body the rest that it actually needs. Me being myself, I am more tired leading up to my period versus actually being on my cycle. When I'm actually on my cycle, I don't sleep often. Like, my sleep is very interrupted by my cramps, and I'm just really like a night owl. Literally up all night playing video games, watching Netflix, doing something, and not sleeping at all. And if I do actually go to sleep late, I end up waking up extremely early anyway, so it's kind of like whatever. So yeah, just give your body that rest that it needs. And if you are God's favorite and you only have 2 to 3 day periods and they're a breeze, lucky for you. How does it feel to be God's favorite? Maybe one day I'll know what that feels like. But until then, I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you already know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, ladies.